Spread it like. I don't know if you can hear that, but just as I think I'm gonna kick off a moving vlog, we have some kind of giant truck outside. But as you can see, I'm in the closet room. I'm kicking off a moving vlog. This is gonna span like several days because we don't have any new furniture or anything really going on right now other than the clip I wanted to show you guys because I'm trying to get my closet like fully finished, I guess, if you will. If you may remember, I will have the closet vlog linked below from when I set all this up. But I can't remember if I said, I decided I did want to order another clothing rack to go right here and then move that to my actual closet. And they sold out in between the process of me showing these to saying they're going to ship out in 2 to 3 months. So I ordered another one, was not expecting it to get here. It's probably been like a month, so still, you know, I mean, no Amazon Prime status, but I'm glad it's not 2 to 3. So there's the box. I'm going to assemble it, set it up, and I just thought I would kick off a moving vlog here. And yeah, also what I'm doing in here, we have this little tiny side closet, and that's just where I'm putting clothes that I like order or get in the mail that are gonna be shown in a haul video, because that way I like don't forget about things and I just have them all right there. So that's that. So let's get to the closet assembly. I'm gonna blast some music. Also, I was kind of gone away. Earlier I put on this Burt's Bees chapstick, like was not looking in the mirror, put it on like generously everywhere because my lips are really chapped right now. And then I walked in the bathroom a second ago and it was a tinted chapstick. So I had like this bright pink color like all the way around the affected region, but it looks better now. Okay, let's do it. Oh, this is taking such mental strength right now.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals.
Let's fill her up. This was already such a struggle if you guys remember to figure out what like 3 categories to put on these, so not sure where this is going, but I will report back. Okay, here is what we got. For right now, I'm just left that right here because I don't feel like going through my closet. But that's gonna go in my closet in my bedroom. So if you wanna see about all of this, you can watch the other closet video. But basically, I just put some jackets over here that were cute and matched the color palette of everything else. Down here, I just have some black shoes. I divvied out those jeans and put one each here on the bottom rows. And then I filled in with some like nude colored shoes. And then up here, I just did some like funky heels that were fun to look at because I had some fun shoes here. And then over here, I ended up laying out this really pretty big necklace that I'm gonna show in haul soon, so preview. And my watches I kind of stacked out like this, but this now is very empty, so I need something kind of like that thing to like balance out the space because I had the same issue with those sunglasses, which again, we do have the option of like putting that on the top shelf and moving that down. But I'm so short, again, as a reminder, like this is my eye level like currently. So I want to be able to like look at them because it's pretty. So basically I just need to figure out something for the back. So if you have ideas, please let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the closet. I feel good that I'm not assembling one of these ever again. Package Central Arts here? Wait, is there even more?
Yeah, there's more.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello. Oh, there's
Hi.
one more. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Wow, our house is gonna look pretty finally.
Except Box
This was Box Mountain's progress from the last video, but Box Mountain's about to come back. But no, he's not. We're getting rid of him.
Thank you so much. One day, we will throw you a party. Yeah.
Ah, look, we have frames. We have art.
Yeah, I don't know who this is.
These are the prints going in our hallway. It's about to look super chic. Oh, these prints, these are gonna go in my bathroom. I have so many pretty things going above my desk and like a really cool gallery wall. Art's happening! Ah! Okay, so not having Box Mountain lasted a very short amount of time, but we have all our art now.
Box Mountain's the 4th roommate.
It is a 4th. Why isn't it paying rent? Like seriously.
So like I was gonna put her as my +1, but
Okay, so here's an overview of the ones I got from my room. and bathroom. Those two are going in the bathroom. Obviously, I'll show you guys once I hang it all up. Yeah, so excited. Thank you so much to Decenio for sending these. The frames, they actually don't ship to the US yet with. They would get that in May. But all the art we're gonna have linked below. We also have a promo code, so that'll be on screen as well as in the description. And thank you so much to them. Our house is about to look so amazing. So over here we got this one that says wine guide, and it's just a breakdown of different kinds of wine for our little bar cart. These are the ones that me and Adrian are gonna have in the hall upstairs. And then our kitchen ones look like this, and they're all black and white, and they're gonna go on this wall behind the table. We have this one that says, skirt, skirt, life happens, coffee helps. I think I imagined that was gonna be a little smaller, but all's well. And then this Los Angeles one is gonna go on that wall that like sticks out, but it was supposed to have like a poster hanger type thing, if you know what I mean, where there's like the wood at the top and the bottom with like the little string. But we're waiting on that. So, all right, we are now about to hang up our living room artwork and kitchen and eventually bedrooms so our house can look all cute. So for an idea of what it's gonna be. So that one, we're having 3 like centered above the couch. That's one. This one that says breathe is in the middle, and then that one is on the other side. It's gonna be so cute. So we're trying to decide at this point which order we want these pictures to go in. So originally we had them like flipped, where, let's get a visual flip.
Well, we first had it like this, then we realized it was better.
Yeah, we thought it looked better when we ordered them like this with like the, I think that looks a lot better. I really do. With like the white space on the inside, so it's kind of like, it blends together better.
The thing that's weird about it,
comment below which way you think looks better, because we can always switch them.
yeah, that's so true. We can literally always switch them.
Yeah, this is not like a life-changing. All right, let's just hang them up.
I'm coming up slowly.
We have living room art. Yay! We have something. Oh, I got this scrunchie yesterday at Topshop. It's like very like metallic. I thought it'd be cute in case I ever wanted to put my hair up at Coachella. I look so ratchet right now. Okay, next up is the kitchen art. Woo. Ooh, kitchen looking fire. Okay.
On camera, they look so small.
I know. In real life, it's bomb.
Yeah.
All right, we're trying to figure out if we put a plant in that corner, a little LA print, and then that. I think that like looks good.
Yeah,
It only fills the space.
okay, I like that too.
We've got to get a
So
plant.
glad we humored
Should we buy a plant today? Kitchen update. We're gonna get a plant for there. We're borrowing Janine's for right now. Put this little LA print there. Over here we have this like grid thing that we're gonna put pictures of all of us on, and I'll give you the full view as if you're walking in. Oh, here we are in the kitchen, walking in. So,
Hey, didn't see you there.
living art. Okay. Okay, we're now hanging the upstairs art. This is going there, which is above stairs if you can't tell. So this is about to be a really neat hanging experience because you have to get a nail like way over here, and it's just like we are not professionals. We have learned oh my gosh, we have learned one thing today. It's that we're not professionals. These are going up. One's going there. I guess that one, I don't really know. And then that one's going behind this.
This arm.
Wait, all right. Would you want to like
Like I can
stand on a
as far
chair?
As I can go. Is that fine? No, I'm not standing on a chair over the set.
for like an inch?
No, I mean it's okay if it's not fully
Okay.
on the
Oh
side.
yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But you just need. This is as far as.
All right. Yeah. That's good. Oh, we'll be so fine.
It's such an awkward angle. Oh my god. No. Why is it doing that?
All right.
This one's kind of heavy.
Okay. Upstairs art is a go. We got 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Cute. And you can't really tell unless you're like standing up, but the tops of these like line up. So if you're wondering what the strategy was, that was it. Okay, so you guys might remember I previously had a pineapple clock right here and a picture of like tropical art that went right there, but I got this matching little like set that I thought was just cute. It looks like, I don't know, bathroomy, I thought, because it like the lines kind of look like bodies. I just thought it was cute, so that is now in here. I'm so obsessed with the hallway art. Oh, next I really need to conquer my gallery wall, which is going here. Oh, but that's just such not a one-person task. Okay, I'm going for it. I'm about to attempt the gallery wall by myself. let's see. This is the before. I need to go back and look at my laptop from where I like photoshopped in like the order of how I wanted these to go. But we're gonna see how it looks. Here we have it, folks. I'm happy with it. Okay, so here's what it looks like on my laptop when I photoshopped it all out. I had both of those. Now, this is it in real life. Part of it also would have looked cool if I hadn't put the Prado in there and I just raised that up to be like centered, if that makes sense, height-wise, but whatever. Those are my two I already showed. I do kind of like, I mean, it doesn't look good if you center that above this. It just looks really weird, so like it's just gonna have to be on the side. But that does bother me slightly, but it is what it is. I also have this extra print that I think I was thinking I might put in the closet room, but then I got another clothing rack, so there's not room. So I'm thinking of hanging this over like above that nightstand to like balance out the height with the clothing rack, which we've talked about before. So I think I might just go for it. Wow, okay, so I did hang that. Things look so like off and uneven in so many clips that we're showing. All right, you can kind of see better now, but now it's like even, and I love that. I think it looks so good. So now my art's done. That's still a lot of wall space. I don't really know what to do with that. I'll probably end up just leaving it. This, I still want to get like a white floating shelf to go there that's like long to put some cute stuff on it. Or what do you guys think? I don't know, let me know. I just feel like that's so much wall space and like in person, like it spans the length of my bed and then like more. So just let me know what you think. I'm actually gonna go ahead and sign off this moving vlog. I need to edit it because I go to Coachella tomorrow. I'm also gonna be filming hopefully some Coachella Get Ready with me, so comment below who you want to see me film on with, who's gonna be there. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. We are really nearing the end of the moving process. We just have like a couple more furniture things to get and like pillows and like more decor for the living room mainly is like the last thing to get together. But yeah, let me know if you guys like this, if you would change anything, if you have any tips for decorating or anything like that. I always appreciate those. That's all. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Only you, can't you see? I made